Hello everyone. Uh, I will try to cure my coding depression with more coding, and I decided to record a video daily about what have I done today. And today I will start a new project, and it is going to be a multiplayer uh, game, like Arena 1, PvP, such stuff. I have an idea because I played and I occasionally play Tibia, and I think that the PvP system in Tibia and like the Tibia, how the Tibia works in general, and the PvP system from version 7.4 has a lot of potential. I think to I would just want to create a game with this system, with these mechanics. So you're going to have one like player, and you're going to have like it is going to be 2D game. The whole 2D like the whole world is going to be divided into tiles, square tiles. You have only 8 directions to move: up, down, left, right, and up left, up right, and stuff like that. So you're going to be always on the middle of the screen. Well, I use this sketch first time. So you can move here, you can move here, here somewhere, here maybe, or maybe here, or on any empty space besides the view of the game. Actually, you're going to have some stuff like runes or items. Uh, okay, that was bad. So yeah, let's say you have a backpack with 4 slots. You have some rune here. You have a potion here, let's say. And if you played Tibia for some time, you know that you have equipment here. So it's like helmet, armor, legs, shoes, weapon, ring. It's supposed to be this supposed to be squares. Anyway, fuck. Shield, amulet, and backpack. And I just think that the PvP mechanics that you have in Tibia 7.5 before, and in general in the old Tibia was difficult, and you have to have skills to play it well. So, for example, if there is an opponent and you want to uh, shot a rune at him, you are supposed to like right click on the rune here, bang, and then left click on the tile that the opponent is on. So bang here, and of course opponent's moves. So you need to like predict where is he going to move, and for example in the next couple of frames shot a rune here. You move as well if you want to. If you are low in mana, bank, and you want to use a mana potion, you need to right click on the backpack and left click on yourself. And I think there's so much potential in this that I want to try, and I want to cure my depression, coding depression, with more coding, because I struggle to finish projects, and maybe if I'm going to record some videos and like be not forced, but it will motivate me more to code, like to finish projects. Maybe someone will come and say that I love your game, please do it more. I will then. But yeah, it's mostly for my coding depression and finishing projects. So yeah, now I'm doing random stuff here. Anyway, I will create now a repository. I don't have anything here. I have a plain folder. So yeah, I will not create videos about everything, like including everything. I will just like create videos with highlights. What have I done? Or if I do something with the progress. Anyway, you got the point. So yeah, see ya. So yeah, I have my first window with SDL. I decided to use SDL as a graphic library. For now, it just waits for 3 seconds. Let's make it that much seconds, milliseconds. So yeah, for now I'm using SDL, and I think I will stick with it right now because I don't want to use anything sophisticated for graphics, because it is going to be a very simple game in scope of graphics, because yeah, 2D and isometric probably. But yeah, SDL I think is going to work well. Not sure about UI and other stuff, texts and yes, things like that, but I can display images, which is great. So yeah, again, the game is called Nonohand, and here's the player. And yeah, you can't do much right now. About the stack, tech stack, so I'm going to use C++20, like the freshest C++. In 2 years, I'm going to switch to 23 probably. Uh, yes. So yeah, C++, CMake. I really want to try Boost Asia for communications, client server communications, and game loop. Maybe not. Yeah, and event loop. Use the IO context as for event looping. Mm, I believe it will handle a couple of clients. Like the server using IO context from Boost Asia is going to probably handle a couple of clients, which is going to be okay. The clients will just receive the updates from the server and display them. So yeah, and that is how we make games. So easy peasy. Anyway, I'm going to try something today, but it will be probably the end of the video. So yeah, see you tomorrow. Bye.